Duffel bag, backseat.
This tip is for teaching deep breathing strategies to kids. This is one video in a small playlist, so please take a look at all the options because there are just so many ways to teach deep breathing nowadays that you really have a lot to choose from. So this is a very simple trick. With this trick, it involves finding a scent that is very calming for your child, whether it's a candle that they like the smell of, whether it's a perfume, maybe a splash of cooking vanilla, whatever it is that they really enjoy. So you want to take the smell and you want to have your child practice inhaling and exhaling that particular calming scent. So they might breathe in slowly 5 to 10 times and then exhale slowly 5 to 10 times, whatever the very calming, motivating scent is. So use actual scent as a way to teach deep breathing. It can be highly effective. And if this doesn't work, just click through the playlist because there are just so many options nowadays that you can choose from. So you'll be able to take a look and see what best suits your child. And remember, you can always mix it up. You can try one strategy one day, then try another day. The scent trick can be portable, especially if this is some type of a perfume that you may have that you're wearing, or maybe a scent that your child likes to wear. So it's got some portability to it, which is why I like it, because it is quite simple.
In my mind, you're a drive real slow.